Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into something really exciting for all you car enthusiasts out there. The adorable, all-new Kia EV3, confirmed to be hitting US shores as a 2026 model. This little electric SUV is not just a cute face, it's packed with features that make it a standout in the electric vehicle market. First off, the Kia EV3 sports a charming, boxy design that takes cues from its bigger sibling, the EV9. It's compact, stretching 14 feet long and standing about 5 feet tall, but don't let its size fool you. The EV3's design with vertical headlights and a squared-off hood gives it a playful, robot-like appearance that's sure to turn heads. Now let's talk performance. The EV3 is equipped with an 81.4 kWh battery that delivers an impressive 350 miles of range. Charging? No problem. It zaps from 10 to 80% in just about 30 minutes. And for those who love a bit of control, the EV3 introduces regenerative braking settings right on the steering wheel, a first for Kia. But what really makes the EV3 special are its versions. There's the standard trim, and then there's the GT line. The GT line amps things up with sportier cladding, a unique front bumper, and exclusive 19-inch wheels. It's the same adorable EV3 but with a bit more edge. Stepping inside, the cabin is a lesson in minimalism and efficiency. It offers seating for 5 and surprises with its spaciousness. 2 large 12.3-inch touchscreens span the dashboard, complemented by a handy 5.0-inch panel for climate controls. Everything designed for ease of use. And here's something cool. The console lid doubles as a table for your laptop or snacks. Talk about convenience. Color options? The EV3 doesn't shy away from style. It will be available in 9 colors, including 4 new earthy tones exclusive to Kia: aventurine green, shale gray, frost blue, and terracotta. Each color adds a unique character to the EV3, making it as personal as it is practical. Now, while Kia has been a bit secretive about the full range of drivetrain options, they did share that the base models will be front-wheel drive, with hints of an all-wheel drive configuration being in talks. As for acceleration, the EV3's single motor setup propels it to 62 miles per hour in just 7.5 seconds. Not just a pretty face, right? In conclusion, the Kia EV3 is shaping up to be a game-changer in the compact electric SUV market. Its blend of style, efficiency, and performance, coupled with Kia's innovative technology like the Mi-Pedal 3.0, makes it a vehicle worth waiting for. Whether you're an EV enthusiast or just looking for a reliable, stylish, and fun-to-drive SUV, the EV3 seems set to tick all the right boxes. Stay tuned for more updates as it rolls closer to launch. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.